Now for Eyewitness News, call 12 for action. The economy is still chugging along and consumers are paying off debt. All good things, right?
Right, but if you're struggling to make ends meet, longer-term loans are gaining traction. Problem solver Susan Hogan takes a hard look at the loans and whether they're worth your risk.
Well, we're finding that many people are taking out long-term loans to buy cars. While it may help you in the long run to keep your monthly payments down, there are some drawbacks you might not be aware of. Veronica Viveros is in the market for a new car, but will soon have new demands on her monthly budget that force her to shop for a longer-term loan.
I am expecting, and we do have a lot of bills and finances, so I'm looking at about $300 to about $350 a month, and that would help out so much.
She will have to look at a 72-month loan. That means her new baby will be 6 years old and going into first grade by the time she pays off that car.
A consumer that's opting for a $25,000 new car loan can save around $200 per month by opting for a 72-month loan as opposed to a 48-month loan.
A $350 monthly car payment can be enticing for many people, but it also could be very risky.
The longer you extend your term, the longer it's going to take you to get out from a negative equity position. So those that take a longer loan find themselves at greater risk for being underwater for a longer period of time.
And that doesn't take into account as to what could happen over the years, like a blown engine, a car accident. Any of that kind of stuff can really devaluate your car, putting you into a bigger financial bind.
The trend in the last 10 years is people have kept their cars longer. The cars have been built better.
And experts point out not all long-term loans are bad.
A general rule of thumb is that consumers should try and keep their monthly payment at about 20% of gross income. So if that means you have to opt for a 5 or a 6 year loan as opposed to a 3 or 4 year loan, then that generally makes sense.
And remember that interest rates on loans that go 72 months and beyond will be higher than traditional loan periods. So shop around before you hit the car dealer by comparing costs at several different sites. And we have them all online for you at WPRI.com. And if you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1, hotline 228-1850. Or if you're interested in becoming a Call 12 for Action volunteer with me, call that same number you see right there on your screen. I'm problem solver Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.